Understanding YouTube analytics can be extremely confusing and overwhelming, especially for new YouTubers. Whether it is trying to understand how videos perform or rank in the YouTube algorithm to knowing what your audience likes, this video is going to break down key YouTube analytics to help grow your channel. YouTube analytics are essential data and statistics of your channel that can help guide your content and the direction of your channel. There are times, however, that the analytics don't always match the return. For example, one video may look great in terms of analytics, such as likes per views and a high average view time, but it may be underperforming in terms of views or revenue. YouTube does value certain analytics to determine search rankings and recommendations to other viewers, as well as video quality and topic demand. In general, using your channel analytics statistics can help guide your content and help you get ranked in searches. In order to access your analytics and metrics, you will sign in and you're going to visit your channel page. Head over to the icon button in the top right and select YouTube Studio. Now you can also access analytics from your YouTube Studio app, but more on that later. Once into YouTube Studio, the Analytics tab is third on the list. The Channel Analytics page has 4 tabs: Overview, Content, Audience, and Revenue if and when monetized. The Overview screen shows a quick snapshot of 3 metrics: views, watch time, and subscribers gained. You can adjust the timeline for the different stats at the top right drop-down menu. In addition, you can see real-time data for views and subscribers to the right. But staring at it is not going to change anything, so on to content. This tab adds a couple of different metrics for a quick glance. This is your impressions, click-through rate, average view duration. If you scroll down, you're going to find some additional information on what platform or way people are finding your videos. This could be search, subscriber impressions, or shared links on social media. This is especially good for determining your search engine optimization or YouTube SEO, or what social media is actually getting you hits. Once you figure this out, you can focus more of your efforts in this area to get more views. Audience breaks down the viewership and demographics. This tab can indicate who your target audience is and when to post. Seeing when your viewers are on YouTube is a hint on when to post. In addition, this page has watch time for subscribers, and again, this is key for pleasing your subscriber base, as it is huge for initial views to help get you ranked in searches. If videos have higher watch time by your subscribers, the video will be shown to more viewers, which equates to more action. Focus on content that your subscribers want and what gets you subscribers. The audience also tells you about age, gender, and different countries that you get your views from. The See More tabs in advanced mode will bring you to an in-depth analytic screener. This metric screener has all the little data filters you can think of. As you change or plug in criteria, the list and data will change. This section can absolutely be overwhelming, so this video is going to highlight some of the basics and what analytics mean to your channel. There are tabs that are pre-programmed with the screens. This includes content, which ranks your videos according to the criteria. The next tab over is traffic source, which highlights the specific ways that people find your videos. If a traffic source is working, hone in on that. Right below the tabs is the line graph, and this can be filtered and changed as well for a visual rather than numerical data. To analyze content, you're going to simply hit the plus button to add criteria, and/or you're going to hit the 3-dot menu to hide a particular criteria. So one annoying thing about the YouTube analytics that they haven't fixed yet is you can't just drag the different criteria to order it how you want. You're going to simply have to add and drop criteria until you get it the way you want it. So now that we have had an analytics overview and tutorial, what do these metrics mean? Some of the metrics are pretty self-explanatory, but some of them can require a little bit more explanation. Two default metrics we're going to talk about first are impressions and impressions click-through rate. The impressions click-through rate is the percentage of people that clicked on the video out of all the people that were shown an impression. Views combined with impression click-through rates are representative of the thumbnail and/or title of the video. A higher percentage on the click-through rate generally means that your thumbnail and/or title is interesting to viewers. A low click-through rate and low view count is an indicator to reconsider the thumbnail and/or title. Another default metric is impressions. This is the amount of times your video was shown. This could be to your subscriber feed, recommendations to viewers, or ranking in searches. This is where your choice of keywords plays a huge role in the YouTube search engine optimization. Targeted keywords should be in the title, the description, and in video tags. Low impressions and low search traffic source data would imply that the topic is not being searched, is not popular, or your search engine optimization needs improvement. Now, watch time and average view duration are super important, obviously, as they show viewer retention. This is key for search rankings and recommendations to non-subscribers. Now, sometimes you have a good video that has good watch time, but just isn't a popular topic, and it's not being searched or shown to potential viewers.
Another key stat to take note of is audience retention for the first 30 seconds. Most abandoned videos are done within the first 30 seconds, so it's very important to keep your audience hooked initially.
There are other analytics dealing with the reach category as well. For example, you can add the filter of shown in feed. You can see the view versus swiped away ratio. You can see unique and new viewers, and you can see the average views per viewer. Using the interactions features is pretty self-explanatory. Subscribers gained is generally a good indication that people enjoy that content and want to see more of it. And the same goes with likes versus dislikes. Shares is a very important, underrated category. When people share your videos, it definitely can enhance the amount of times your video is seen, subscribers gain, but also it can help you rank in searches. Now, it is good practice to use cards in your videos to link and promote other of your content, and of course end screens as well. Generally though, people do not get too many views with cards and/or end screens, but you certainly can use these analytics to see if people are actually clicking and giving you views through your cards or end screens. Next, I'm going to talk about some key revenue analytics. So these analytics only apply to people in the YouTube Partner Program. So once you reach monetization, you're definitely going to want to include the revenue statistics when analyzing data. So number one is your estimated revenue. I mean, that's clearly what you're going to be making potentially when it gets transferred into your AdSense account. Now, your transaction revenue includes all revenue sources like Super Chat, etc., any other way that you can make money on YouTube. Another key revenue statistic is ad impressions. Ad impressions is very simple. It shows how many times ads were shown to people while they were watching your videos. The higher the amount of ad impressions, the likelihood of potentially more growth. But all ads do not carry the same financial weight. This is where CPM comes in. CPM is the cost per mile, meaning the amount that advertisers pay per 1,000 ad impressions. Basically, the higher the CPM a video has, the more advertisers are paying to get in that type of content. RPM is the rate per mile. This is mainly what you get after it's all said and done per 1,000 views. Now you can access a lot of the analytics condensed on the YouTube Studio app as well. And it's a lot easier to break down your analytics using a computer rather than the app, but the app does give you the basics and it does give you a pretty good rundown of most of the statistics. But if you're doing in-depth research, it's better to use the desktop version. So overall, YouTube Analytics provides essential data. Use views and click rate for thumbnail and title feedback. Check traffic source and impressions for SEO and social media insight. Subscriber data is important for the base views. So this will help you with time to post, viewer demographics, and target types of videos. Average view and watch time are absolutely essential for viewer retention. So overall, YouTube analytics are robust and they provide a great amount of insight for YouTubers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.